how to reset Dropbox account password. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. And let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Dropbox application on your device. Once you open up the app, you will be able to see this interface where there are various options for signing in. So if you want to sign in using your Google or Apple, then you can go for that. Further, there is also another way of signing by entering your email and password. You have to go for sign in option with blue color at the right hand side of the button. And in this section, you'll be able to see the text fields. Since we are trying to reset the password of the account that we already have, you have to go for having trouble signing in option at the lower button. And here are three options: forget your password, single sign on, email me, or sign in link. You have to go for forget your password option. And in this section, you need to enter your email in which you want to receive link or something for resetting your password. Once you're done, you can go for set email option. And after that, you need to check your Gmail for the further instructions. You can see Dropbox has sent me an email for setting a password. You have to simply go for reset password option with blue box. And finally, you'll be able to create a new password over here. You have to simply type in new password, and in the second box you have to retype your password. Once you're done, you can go for submit option. And finally, the password has been changed. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions regarding this video, then you can mention below. Thanks for watching.